Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily delete multiple transactions on QuickBooks. So all you have to do is head over to qbo.intuit.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just put your mouse on transactions, then click on bank transactions. So from here, you should be able to see a list of all your bank transactions. And while there's really no delete button or option in QuickBooks, you can easily remove transactions that you want to remove. And to do that, all you have to do is select or tick the box of the transactions that you want to delete. Say, for example, we want to delete these five transactions. And next is all you have to do is click on exclude. So that's the only way that you can delete transactions on QuickBooks. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!